All right, we're working on the elevator assembly, step 6. Got the elevator center channel, the elevator spar, elevator center plate external, elevator center plate internal. This needs to go between this elevator center channel and the spar, and then this goes on top. And same thing with the bottom. Just gonna click them into place right now. We'll rivet them down the road on another step. Stay tuned. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 6 took 1 hour to complete. Total build time so far is 50 hours 30 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.